Let's put together some 3D buildings.
Okay, here's a video about how to put together the 3D buildings. First step, get them out of the bag. And now you pop out a building, you fold it, and then here's the key. Just one little piece of Scotch tape on the inside. We'll fold that building up so that it rests on the table just like that. And let's see if you can see that. You go out there and here's a dude underneath it for scale. The smaller buildings, similar deal. Pop it out. Fold it up and put just a little touch of tape on the inside. It's not two-sided tape, it's just tape. And there is a smaller building. I'm not very good at this crafty stuff. There we go. Smaller building. And I like to turn it towards me so I can see when the characters are inside the building. And now the other building, this is the tricky one, is the tower. We built this with one section on each board. So you've got to put together the 4 tower pieces. Oops. There's my 4th tower piece. Here we go. And again, I usually only do 3 walls. You can add an extra flap to these guys. Where's my 4th section here? So you can see this one, if I wanted, I could put another section of wall here like this. And then it's a complete building. But I like to be able to see inside when there's people inside there. It's totally up to you. And here's how we assemble that tower. The tower is not as niftily done as the others, but I had a little more space on the page and I figured better to do an extra tower than that's a little more difficult to put together. You just gather your bits up, and then there's also a roof for it. Presto, we've got ourselves a tower. The tower looks bad from this angle, the way I just set it up, because again, I'm not really good with crafty stuff, but you get the idea. If you go at it from the other angle, looks decent. And there's your tower. And that's it set up in, I'm going to check the 3 minutes. 3 minutes I set up 3 buildings. All right, that's it. Good luck.